Hello friends, welcome to all of you on my channel IELTS at Home. This video is all about top 10 best my own listening tips and tricks. My name is Naprit Kaur, your host, guide and mentor on this channel. So watch this full video until it ends if you want to get higher band score in listening. So let's start. Listening tip number 1 is that read instructions of questions carefully, keep in mind while writing answers. Because if you don't remember, you may do mistakes while transferring answers. For example, if instruction is about one word or a number, but you write two words, then your answer will be incorrect and you will get no marks. Plus, always read questions quickly and carefully before each listening section is played. This will help you to understand question along with listening conversation. Listening tip number 2. Write your answers in capital letter to avoid errors like capital or small letter for specific words. For example, you can see on your screen America. I wrote this word in small letter, which is incorrect because this is the name of a country and its first letter must be in capital. So to avoid this mistake, try to write the full answer in capital letter. I mean full word or all letters of a word in capital letter. Listening tip number 3 is spellings. Sometimes you may listen the correct word or answer from audio, but you forget to write the correct word, or you write wrongly the spelling of that particular word. In that case, you will get no mark for that answer. So always check the spellings of your answers. For example, accommodation. There are double C and M in that word. Second, beginning. There are double N. So always remember these kind of words because these kind of words may create some confusion in your mind. And also predict how many speakers are there. Recognize their voice, especially in section 3, because this will help you to understand their dialogues and MCQs about particular speaker. Tip number 4, grammatical errors. You can see the example on your screen. Discover in 9050. Discover is wrong because year is mentioned. This is a simple past tense, so write discovered instead of discover. Listening tip number 5, use prior knowledge. It means predict words from your own knowledge. For example, conversation with a telephone company. Think about the words related to this conversation by reading the keywords in question. Even I followed this technique during my preparation days and got 9 bands in listening. So try to use this trick because when you predict the answer from your own knowledge and experience, there are more chances that you can hear the correct answer and that answer may be the same you thought or sometimes it's so close to your predicted answer. Listening tip number 6, singular plural mistakes. Put S carefully at the end of your answer if speaker speaks. For example, beliefs, activities. Here you need your full concentration because speakers have different accent which are really confusing sometimes. We may listen word but due to simple singular plural mistakes, we lose our band score. Another important tip is follow directions carefully in map, create visual image in your mind. For example, if speaker is explaining a map of a museum, imagine the place and situation, put your pencil on starting point, then follow the speaker along with cues on map. If you miss any question, leave it and move to next question to maximize your number of correct answers. Tip number 8, write short notes while writing your answers on question booklet to save your time. If you write long answers, as you know, your audio will be going on, so you may skip any question and keep looking ahead on to the next question. Listening tip number 9 is clear handwriting. Try to transfer your answers carefully because sometimes some candidates lose their mark because of their poor handwriting. And also, don't leave any question. try to write with your guesswork on blank answers, because sometimes your guesswork is correct and you will get marks. Listening tip number 10, try to avoid your confusion with numbers like 30 13, 40 14, 50 15. So there is some difference between the both. In 13, 14 and 15, examiner takes some time. By having your concentration, you can avoid this problem. Now you can see the whole tips and tricks summary on your screen. I hope you all like this and will apply these tips and strategies while doing listening. Surely you will get higher band score in listening. Good luck. Thank you all of you for watching my videos once again. Subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Like and share these videos. Thank you.